Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Seaborn for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the Seaborn library, then Seaborn is a Python data visualization library which is built on the Matplotlib library. So it provides a high-level interface for creating informative and aesthetically pleasing statistical graphics. So it is a particularly useful library for exploring and understanding relationships between multiple variables in a dataset. And it also offers several advantages over Matplotlibs. So let's begin by installing this particular library. So in order to install this library, you need to head on to the terminal of your VS Code and type in the following command, which is pip install Seaborn. So that means we will be using the pip or the pip module to install the library. Simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that the packages are being collected, and with this message we can see that the requirement is already satisfied for our system. That means for some of the packages that are required for the library, they are already installed. So and it will continue with the other packages that are not installed. So let's wait for the installation process to happen. And here you can see that after the downloading and installation of the other packages, we can see this message which says successfully installed Seaborn version 0.13.2. It also downloaded the pandas and matplot library, which are a requirement for this particular library. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.